Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create an event QR code so people can quickly access your event details, registration page, or tickets. This is a simple and effective way to share information and boost attendance. Now, on your browser, let's say we want to create an event. We will use Calendly as an example to create an event and convert it to a QR code. Let's say we are here and we have a scheduled meeting event. We will use this event as our example. Once we have created this event, we will set the day, location, and duration. The event will then be ready. Once created, it will have a link like this. Next, we need to copy that link, then open a new tab and go to qrsstaff.com. This site will convert your link into a QR code. Once we are there, we simply click on URL, paste the link we copied, style the QR code, and then click Continue and then Download. We will need to choose a format, either PNG, JPEG, or if we want premium options like PDF or SVG, those are available with a paid plan. For this demo, let's go with PNG. As we can see, the file has downloaded and there is our QR code. And that is how we create an event QR code in just a few simple steps. We can now easily share our event with anyone, anywhere.